So guys, it's been a very long time since the Honda Click 160 has dominated the 150-160 scooter segment that has the very important feature or aspect that we all know and love, which is the floorboard, footboard, or what we call in the Philippines the gulay board. But now, a new contender has finally arrived to challenge that domination, and Yamaha has just launched to us the Yamaha LEXI 155 with a current price of only under 100,000 pesos. Is it going to be the new best seller in town? I can't wait to discuss with you the Yamaha LEXI 155, guys. So grab your favorite drinks, favorite snacks. This one will be a great one. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go. So when Yamaha actually released the LEXI, guys, I was one of those people who were really happy because finally our options as consumers, for those who are looking for a 150-160cc scooter that has that utilitarian or that functional aspect, has been added. Of course, comes with that is the powerful around 150 engine. But aside from that, the great thing about this form factor is that they are really light and very easy to maneuver, to park. So I will be putting on the screen the dimensions, and of course, speaking of the weight of the bike, Yamaha LEXI, it's only around 116 kilograms, guys. So as a daily driver, having that power and lightness, man, this bike is really a great option. And because the seat height is only around 770 millimeters, of course, very friendly for us Filipinos and Asians. And below, for the ground clearance, it's only 135 millimeters. I honestly think it's a bit lower than what I would want, but I think it will get the job done. Just take note, just be cautious and be careful in riding it through flood prone areas. The overall exterior of the Yamaha LEXI is quite good. The wheelbase and like the form factor and the size is just enough for most roads here in the Philippines and traffic conditions. I think that it reminds me of the classic NMAX, okay? And that's the thing that I love about the LEXI, because the NMAX has always been popular for like touring and being a great city scoot, and now we have an option of the NMAX, if we may call that, that has a floorboard or gulay board. When it comes to the looks, it's subjective. I would love to know your thoughts, guys. Do you like the looks or not? Comment down below. The best part is that it's kind of new and unique right now on our Philippine roads. So that lightweight form factor and the powerful engine, which is the 155 liter engine, which is the same with Aerox and NMAX standard. Liquid cooled, 4-stroke, single overhead cam with 4 valves and single cylinder, and thankfully fuel injected. That is why you'll be expecting great fuel consumption with this one. Maximum output 15.4 PS and the maximum torque of 14.2 Newton meter. Your engine oil capacity is 1 liter and your fuel tank capacity is at 4.2 liters. I actually hope that it would carry more fuel or gasoline, but thankfully on paper the average fuel consumption of the Yamaha LEXI would be around 40 to 45 kilometers per liter. So not bad at all. So for your exterior guys, let's start with the front fascia. You have LED headlights and DRLs. So happy Yamaha didn't put halogens on this one. And then for your rear, also LED taillights. So all LEDs, very great. For your side profile guys, let's talk about your wheels and tires. You have a 90 by 90 tubeless tires matched with your 14-inch wheels, and then you have telescopic forks for your suspension, and then you have disc brakes for the front, while you only have drum brakes for your rear. You only have a monoshock suspension for your rear, in which I know a lot of people would have preferred dual shocks. But yeah, that's what we only have, especially maybe with the budget or the costing, the pricing. And then you also have 14-inch wheels with 100 by 90 tubeless tires. So now as we ride into the bike, for your cockpit or your display, the first thing that you'll see is that now it's digital. Kinda looks similar to the ones that you have for the NMAX version 3 standard, the one with a blue backlight. Then you can easily see all of the information. You have a maxi scoot style handlebar, and then you have a utility hook for your groceries and your things that you can hang with. And then you also have, of course, what we mentioned a while ago, the footboard, where the good thing about this footboard is that unlike all the other scooters that has a footboard or a floorboard, the Yamaha LEXI has this particular part where you can actually extend your feet. So you'll be really comfortable with this one, either for your daily rides or if you wanna bring it for like a touring or long rides. So going back to your handlebars guys, on the left side you have controls for the display panel, and then thankfully one of my non-negotiables, you have a USB port, which is a type A. Of course, very useful for our delivery riders and for those of us who love to go on adventures and long rides. And another deal breaker of mine that I really want to have on a daily scooter is of course that parking handbrake. And then moving on to the right hand side, you have a start stop system that enables you to have the engine turned off in case you're at a very long stop. And then another thing that you have on the right hand side guys is your hazard button. And then lastly, you have your key slot where you can absolutely start and turn off the bike. When it comes to your safety, you have the side stand function, which automatically turns off the bike, or it doesn't enable you to start the bike when the side stand is down. And then for your seats, you have very comfortable, very wide seats. And then underneath you can see the under seat storage, which for me might be a bit smaller for my needs, especially if you don't want to use a top box. Then storage will be a bit of a problem for you, and because of that you might need to really install a top box or buy one of those storage bags that we can find online. And you actually have two color options for the Yamaha LEXI, color black with some blue secondary color, and another one is the like a dark green. I would love to know which color you would pick if ever you're going to be buying the Yamaha LEXI, so comment them down below. So overall, I really think that the Yamaha LEXI is a very solid option, especially for so many of us here in the Philippines and in Asia, where the times that we live in, many have went into the delivery business and commute, motor taxi business. So again, that lightweight 116 kilograms is one of my favorite things about the Yamaha LEXI. Very agile, very easy to use for errands, bringing and picking up our kids from school. And then with the looks, you have that maxi scoot look and feel. Next pro that I liked about the Yamaha LEXI is the battery replacement. Next is you have integrated signal lights, so it's now around your headlights, and for me that's really cool because once you crash the bike, hopefully not, or the bike falls down, it's one less problem. And like I mentioned, it has the same engine with the Aerox and the NMAX standard, so you have another additional peace of mind when it comes to your parts and your maintenance. And then let's go to the cons. Unfortunately, things that I don't like about the Yamaha LEXI. First, again, the small storage U-box. For me, that's just not going to be enough. Second thing that I didn't like about the Yamaha LEXI is that it doesn't have a keyless functionality. It only has a mechanical or key type ignition. So having maybe a variant with like a smart edition or a variant which has that like smart keyless functionality would really be great. And third thing is that it doesn't have a pocket on the right hand side. That would have been great. Another storage, another pocket, another place where we can put our daily essentials, similar to the NMAX. And then the last two would be, I know would be a deal breaker for a lot of people, is that the rear drum brakes and slash single or like the monoshock suspension, and then of course the no ABS or CBS when it comes to your braking power. So I believe if you're gonna be a bit careful in riding, if you're gonna be buying the LEXI, make sure that you already are a mature driver and you already know your limits, and you know very well you have the self-discipline and the self-control, and you'll be able to live with not having these extra privileges. So as you might have heard, I think that the cons of the Yamaha LEXI can be, you can have some solutions, and some of those things I'm sure that a lot of people can also live without. So overall, again, I'm very interested, and actually I belong to the group that likes the Yamaha LEXI. So what do you think, guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that if you seek God first and accept Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior today, all of the things that you need will be added unto you, and that's when you truly win in life. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you on our next videos. Peace!